Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Today I want to talk to you about the 75 roof console that we've produced, the product. But before we do that, if you could do us a favour and hit the subscribe button, that'd be great. Alright, so here is our pattern that we produced and this is the way that it sits in the vehicle. But how we went about this was, I don't know if you can see the inside there, but she's pretty rough. And it's because we made a roof console off a 40 series one that we had, and then we cut it through the center. We sort of narrowed it, and then we modified it around the edges. And we had these tabs here for easy fitting. And then we sort of glassed it all back up on the inside. Or we smoothed it all off with filler, gave it a paint job, and then gave it a bit of a gloss up so we can make a mould off it. Which leads me to the mould that we've made. So here's the mould that we've produced, which is considerably heavier, just because we are going to be producing quite a few of these. And so it's got to be able to withstand pulling parts out of it all the time. And a couple of things we did with the mould was where these tabs are here, well, we just put some little supports at the back there just to help, just to stop it from shrinking and pulling, because it particularly wants to pull when you've got those sharp angles. Yeah, so it was made using fiberglass also, as you can see, with a vinyl ester resin, because it shrinks a little bit less. And then after that, we can start producing our products, which are here we are here, and this is a lot nicer because this is the final product that you'll see if you end up buying one. Alright, I hope that helps to show you how the process works, and feel free to ask any questions if you've got them. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.